Hi all, Todd here.
Connie here.
And we are at the Christmas opening for Christmas lights here in Belmont, North Carolina. So we're going to walk around and take a look and see all the beautiful lights. So let's go. Here we are in Belmont. We'll walk around and see all these beautiful lights. Turn around here. Yeah, we're going to walk down this way. Yeah, Christmas is going on here in Belmont. It's real pretty. We're going to go to the park too. The park has all kinds of cool Christmas lights. Yeah, I think they got Santa too. So yeah, we'll head down that way. So here is the Collective. So some of the stores are open. Got some Christmas decorations in there. That's nice. And then they have the bearded buffalo here, which I've had lunch there and it's really good. It's a great restaurant. They're slammed there. Looks like that's a cool place. It goes all the way down here. It's pretty good sized restaurant. But there are a lot of people driving through. We're gonna go across the street. Also, Belmont's such a cool little town. This is the Stowe Mercantile Company, but now it's the Catawba Outfitters, River Outfitters here. It's a cool outdoor store. Then you get the South Main Cycles right here. It's also a restaurant. So yeah, you get eating and drink here. But we're gonna go across the street to the park. Oh, look at the train. They got the train going for the kids. It's all lit up. Look at that. That's awesome. Hey. This is great for the kids. And they have outside seating over here too. The big fireplace going on. But he's pulling over here. Everybody's waiting in line, but they're all in where the train goes. But it looks like fun. Still getting dark. Belmont Christmas Village right here. I mean, it's Caramount Health is putting it on in the train rides. But yeah, all the lights are over here. We're gonna walk over there. But here is Main Street right here. Look how beautiful that is. And this is the everyday market. Yeah, you can go in there and get breakfast and coffee and tea. They also have a wine area as well, so you can get a glass of wine or adult beverage. Very cool. And I think they do sandwiches too, so stuff like that for dinner. Kind of give you a tour. Haven't been down here in a while and show you this area of Belmont. This is William Henry Signature Salon and Spa. Look at all the decoration. Oh, look at their tree. Wow. Look at that tree.
It's gorgeous.
That's beautiful. That'll definitely get you in the Christmas spirit when you're waiting to get your appointment, get your hair done.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's real nice. I love the little trees here too, and the wreaths they put out front. They did a great job with their windows. Really nice. I love the garland around the front door here. That's beautiful. Now this is really neat. It's kind of a touch screen, so if you want to know more information about certain stores and restaurants. What's kind of cool about this too, it looks like the back of a caboose. That's really neat. But it's all touch screen. Yeah, I like that. That's great. That's a great idea, especially for these small towns like this. Here is the park. We got Christmas trees lit up. Got a huge ornament there. And I know a couple of years ago when we came on the stage in a far distance there, I'll walk up to it, had Mrs. Claus and Santa up there. But the park is hustling and bustling with the families and their kids. But each tree is made from different companies and things like that. They'll have the little signs next to their tree, and then they'll show the decorations. Really nice. Nice all the way around the park too. Tons of trees, all differently themed out. The police department. Oh, okay. Yeah, I got proper lights on there with the blue. And this is Catherine's house, Mission of Mercy. Nice. There's a lot of them. Aquatic Center, Aquatic Consultant. Nice. Cool. So yeah, I probably won't be able to catch all of them, but I just want to kind of...
Belmont Community Charter Elementary.
Okay. Whoop. Get around here. But See, they go all the way around too. But typically, this is where Santa and Mrs. Claus will be on the stage. This is Morning Star in Marina's McLean. I'm wondering if they're going to come out here tonight. Not sure. Look at the big ornaments here. But they have them going all the way down here as well. I want to show you up there too, because there's a really cool display up there. Oh, cool! They got the hayride, so the tractor's taking you around downtown. That's neat. Didn't know they had that going on. So I want to get a shot of this. This is the entrance to downtown, city of Belmont, right here. Founded in 1895. But I wanted to show you right here. People coming through here. You can see the lights, and all on there on the fence, you get all the garland and everything. And they got a real nice Christmas Village sign right there. That's really nice. Yeah, all the way down, you got lights. So as it gets darker, it's getting more beautiful, more Christmas feel to it. Kind of the Main Street USA, like at Disney. Let's get that look to it for sure. And there's the Old Stone Steakhouse. It's actually pretty good. We had lunch there a while back, a couple of years ago. It was really good. So they do have good food there. Heard their steaks are awesome. Lucy Lou. Lucy Lou. Oh, she's loving that. She's loving that.
Yes, you are. Oh my gosh, she's adorable. Thank you. Like every day.
She's a cutie.
Thank you.
This is awesome. Then here you got some cool picture ops for the ornaments. Those are neat. I got carolers over here.
On the way is the bluebird, here to stay is the new bird. He sings a love song as we go along, walking in a winter wonderland. In the meadow we can build a snowman, then pretend that he is Parson Brown. He'll say, are you married? We'll say, no, man. But you can do the job while you're in town. Later on we'll conspire as we dream by the fire to face unafraid the plans that we made, walking in a winter wonderland.
Woo! Nice. So along here is more trees. You got a little fountain. Fountain's not on, but you go around here and there's more trees that are done by different companies and decorated. And the train tracks go right through town. Yeah, this is definitely a train town for sure. Walking down this way. Get a better shot here at nighttime. It's dark now. That little train is really bright now, so you can see it all much better. I think we're gonna get something to eat too. But check it out. They are right there. That is so cool. So much fun for the kids. Hey. And again, they're right where the train needs to go. This is the Belmont Bookshop. Yeah, really nice. Got all Christmas out inside. That's very nice. Yeah, all the stores have Christmas themes, which is great. All the trees here. Little boutique. Very nice. They've got some inflatables. A big snowman there. They also are selling the Christmas trees here. It's great. And the Christmas tree guy's got his trailer back there in the back. Stay with the trees. But there's still people buying their trees. Very nice. Going down Main Street right here. And look at that cool Coca-Cola mural up there, and advertisement. It's great. It's fun getting out and experience Christmas in Belmont. Here's the cotton candy factory. I want to show you their tree. Check that out. Yeah, it's beautiful. They're busy in there. You can smell the cotton candy too. And here's the Cherub's Cafe. Haven't eaten there yet. I heard they're pretty good though. And they had the ride going on here. A little hay ride on the tractor. Going down Main Street. There's the inside of Cherub's. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, they're busy. I also want to get a shot of their Christmas trees in the window here at Cherub's. Those are real nice too. Love those. So this is Hotel Belmont. I'm not sure if it's a real hotel, or was at one time, may have been, but I'm not sure if people are still staying here because they have all these areas upstairs. And then right here they have the Bliss Gallery. I love their tree in the window there. That's really nice. Look at that. And this building right here is the Bank of Belmont. Yeah. I wonder if they have apartments up there. Looks like they might. I love the tree here. The Regen Salon. And then over here is another store. Jolie's. Is that Jolie's? Little boutique. Yeah, look at the inside. That's a nice store. Not sure.
Got that cute little jacket right there.
Oh, the leopard looking one?
Leopard one.
That's cool. Look at the ornaments too. Very festive. Get the garland up there. Really nice. And we continue going this way. Oh, here's Water Bean Coffee.
Water Bean? You want some coffee?
Yeah, might need to get some coffee at Water Bean. And yeah, we get some coffee here at Water Bean. But it's really nice and cozy in here. Nice and toasty and warm. They also have a grand piano. Very cool. But yeah, this is a cool coffee shop. And we both got our hot cup of coffee. Connie went to go put in her sweet stuff. And they get the snow going. That's fun for the kids. Yeah, got a bunch right there. And up there, we got a thing that says Season's Greetings. Very nice. And here's the official tree over here. Go over here real quick and get a shot of the tree right in front of City Hall. That's pretty there. But yeah, here's City Hall, and they're having a art sale tonight. And they have another huge ornament here you get a picture with. So they got Christmas lights all the way down on the trees. And here's some of the restaurants here, the Spring Bean. And you got the Social here. They serve some really good pizza in there too. But yeah, people are still coming in.
Here comes Santa.
To Santa? Oh yeah, I see Santa down there. Let's gonna walk down there and see Santa Claus. And if you can see in the distance there, it says Nellie's. Yeah, the Jonas Brothers, their parents own that restaurant right there. Okay, we're walking down this way. I see Santa over there. So we're gonna go see Santa Claus. And I'm not sure if Mrs. Claus is there with them, but we'll see. But it is pretty through here.
Let's keep the cat.
Alright. Get over there in just a minute. So this is awesome. They have Mrs. Claus and Santa. You get over here. Look at the size of those ornaments. They're huge. But yeah, the kids are also scared. They look awesome. This is great. Some more kids are coming from over here. Get their pictures taken with the Clauses. Hey, Santa! Hey! You guys look awesome. So this is great. Yeah, come and see Mr. Claus and Santa here at the Belmont Park. This is great. Love this park too. It's a great little town park. I was telling Connie it'd be cool to see this with snow on the ground with all the trees lit up. That'd be awesome. It's almost cold enough to be snowing. But that's great that Mrs. Claus is there too. Love it. Gotta get a shot from the people in costume. Yeah, they look awesome. Yeah, they look great. Check them out. Having a lot of fun. There's also somebody here dressed up as a actual Christmas tree. And check him out. Yeah, I think it's like Father Christmas right there. He looks great. Yeah, he looks awesome, Santa. So yeah, some people came all decked out, but here she is right here. Christmas tree. You guys look awesome. You look fantastic. Yeah, you look great. Yeah, you look great.
I was told I was sweating.
We got the Grinch here too. He's holding up as the Grinch.
Oh my God!
It looks awesome. But so much festivity. Yeah, you look great. This is awesome. I love it.
Heavy metal Santa.
Heavy metal Santa Claus right there. We got Santa. Santa's here. Another Santa Claus. Now we got heavy metal Santa. Now what would you call yourself?
Sexy Santa.
Oh, okay. Don't fall over. You gotta fall over, Santa. So we're in the Catawba Outdoor Outfitters. This is great. Got a fire going on there. Such a cool store. We're gonna look at the shoes. We got kayaks up here and the boards for we call it, you get on a board and you ride on the water. Sailboarding, I think it is. But there's an old building that they converted into a cool outfitter store. But kind of wanted to check out some of the shoes. Right here, outdoor shoes. Isn't it a cool store? This is awesome. So I know this is not Christmas related. Well, technically it is because she's looking at an early Christmas present. Some Merrill boots. That's pretty much all we wear are Merrill shoes, which we love. So if you're looking for some good shoes, I do recommend the Merrills. They last forever. I think the last pair I had, I got like 5 pairs of them. But the last pair I had, I put probably about 1,000 miles on that shoe until it literally fell apart. So the gentleman that sold us the shoes, this was built in 1906, this building, and it was the company mill store that Daniel Stowe had for all the people that work in the mills. You come here and get everything you need and order, get your groceries and whatever you want, really. You could order here too. But yeah, this is pretty cool. At one time, a lot of history here. Yeah, Belmont was known for all its textiles and mills. And that's why you saw the train tracks that go right through town. There were 30 mills in the area that did different textiles in this area at one time. But yeah, this was the company store for the mills, for all the workers. And we are here at the pita wheel. We'll grab something to eat. Yeah, Lucille Ball right there. Eating is my hobby. It is packed in here. Wow. So Connie got the gyro. I think that's the lamb, right?
The lamb.
Lamb. Yep. And then the sweet potato fries.
Yep.
Looks good. Then I get what they call the Philly right here, and also get the fried pickles. Yeah, and most of their stuff is all served on pita bread. Of course, it's called the pita wheel. So I took a bite out of this. It's basically a Philly cheesesteak, but on a pita, and it is amazing. Yeah, I do highly recommend the pita wheel. Yeah, come here and get some lunch or dinner. It's good. And I've officially joined the Clean Your Plate Club, and that is my food review. So that was excellent. Yeah, pita wheel is fantastic. Epic, fast, and fun. Be sure to stop by here when you're in Belmont. And we had fun tonight here in Belmont, a little Christmas village. We kind of get some new shoes. Well, actually, they're her early Christmas present. Get down to the tree. She wanted some of the Merrill boots, so we got her a pair of those.
Yep.
And a lot of history here in Belmont, so be sure to visit this town if you're ever in North Carolina, or if you haven't and you live in North Carolina, yeah, be sure to stop by here. It's a cool, quaint town.
Yep.
We got lots of different restaurants and different shops, and the coffee place was Waterbean was really good.
Yep.
But yeah, thanks for joining us on this little Christmas adventure.
Thank you guys so much. Hope you had fun with us.
Hey, you take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye.